Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by installing Crosshair X and opening Xbox Game Bar with Win plus G. This puts the overlay controls within reach. Once installed, enable overlays and allow Crosshair X permission to draw on top of applications. Next, select the game you want to use it in and make sure game mode or exclusive full screen doesn't block overlays. After those checks, open Crosshair X's Overlay panel and choose a base template to begin customizing your crosshair style. Now customize the look and placement so the crosshair is useful, not distracting. Change color and opacity for contrast against different maps, then tweak thickness and size until the reticle feels natural. Use the pixel offset and center alignment tools to ensure exact alignment with your game's aim point. This matters in games with dynamic camera offsets. Once dialed in, save a profile for that game and assign a hotkey so you can toggle or switch profiles instantly during play. Finish by testing the crosshair in real gameplay conditions and make micro adjustments to size or offset as you encounter recoil or camera shifts. If the overlay doesn't appear, restart Xbox Game Bar, run both Game Bar and Crosshair X as administrator, and ensure background recording or capture settings aren't blocking overlays. Finally, keep a backup profile and update both apps. If problems persist, reset the overlay settings. These steps get you consistent aim without altering game files or using unsupported mods.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.